Examiners love numbers with meaning. Today, we'll cover unmet need, CPR, eligible and target couples, cafeteria choice, and the fertility rates that tie it all together. These are evergreen sucks and VIVA topics, frequently appearing in NFHS tables and crucial for guiding program planning under the National Family Planning Program. First, let's define unmet need of contraception. This refers to women, typically married and aged 15 to 49, who wish to delay their next birth or stop childbearing but are not currently using any contraceptive method. This unmet need comprises two main components: spacing for those wanting to delay birth by 2 or more years and limiting for those who desire no more children. It also includes women who are pregnant with a mistimed or unwanted pregnancy, or those who are postpartum amenorrheic for less than 2 years after such a birth and are not using a method. Remember, for exams, total unmet need equals the sum of unmet need for spacing and unmet need for limiting. Next, the couple protection rate, or CPR. In Indian program usage, this is the percentage of eligible couples effectively protected against childbirth by any method. This includes permanent methods, IUCDs, OCPs, condoms, and injectables. In surveys, it's known as the contraceptive prevalence rate, referring to the percentage of currently married women aged 15 to 49 using any or modern method. When answering, mention both census and specify as used in Indian program reporting. Now, eligible couples and target couples. An eligible couple is a currently married couple where the wife is between 15 and 49 years old. These are the planning units for family planning services, often recorded in LR registers at sub-centers, UPHCs, or PHCs. Target couples are a subset of eligible couples who desire to limit further births, traditionally those with 2 or more children or who have explicitly completed their family. These distinctions are used in microplanning to prioritize limiting methods and provide counseling for spacing as needed. The cafeteria choice approach is a principle that advocates offering a basket of methods with neutral, client-centered counseling to ensure informed choice without coercion. The menu typically includes condoms, OCPs like COCs and POPs, Centroman, injectables such as Antara or MPAIM, IUCDs, LNGIUS where available, sterilization, and emergency contraception. It also covers postpartum and post-abortion family planning. Emphasize quality of care, including privacy, respectful counseling, consent, and follow-up for side effects. Finally, high-yield fertility measures. The crude birth rate, or CBR, is calculated as live births in a year divided by the mid-year population, multiplied by 1,000. The general fertility rate, GFR, is live births divided by women aged 15 to 49, multiplied by 1,000. Age-specific fertility rate, ASFR, is live births to women in a specific age group divided by women of that age group, multiplied by 1,000. The total fertility rate, TFR, is the sum of ASFRs for 5-year age groups multiplied by 5, representing the average children per woman if she experienced current ASFRs throughout her reproductive life. Gross reproduction rate, GRR, is TFR multiplied by the proportion of females at birth, indicating average daughters per woman, ignoring mortality. Net reproduction rate, NRR, adjusts GRR for female mortality until the end of the reproductive span, showing daughters surviving to replace the mother. Replacement level is approximately NRR equals 1, which in India corresponds to a TFR of about 2.1 in stable mortality conditions. For exam points, remember unmet need as SLAP, spacing not using, limiting not using, last pregnant, mistimed, unwanted, and postpartum amenorrheic after such births, not using. For CPR, distinguish between program usage for eligible couples protected and survey usage for married women 15 to 49 using contraception, noting any versus modern methods. Eligible couples are all married with wives 15 to 49, while target couples are the subset wanting no more births, often those with 2 or more children. The cafeteria approach can be recalled with the rich mix, mnemonic, rough return visit, IUCD, condoms sent Roman, hormonal pills, MPA, immediate PPIUCD PPFP, and sterilization. For fertility formulas, remember the ladder CPR, GFR, ASFR, TFR, GRR, and NRR, with NRR equals 1 signifying replacement. In VIVA, use NFHS tables to quote CPR and unmet need to comment on performance. The aim is to raise demand satisfied by modern methods while keeping unmet need low. This is achieved through ASHA counseling, assured supplies, PPFP in labor rooms, post-abortion FP, male engagement, and quality of care. Microplanning involves maintaining eligible couple registers, identifying target couples, offering cafeteria choice, and ensuring follow-up. Quote the definitions cleanly, derive the formulas confidently, and you'll convert a dreaded table into easy marks. Measure what matters, then make it matter to people. If you found this episode helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more high-yield made school content.